Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today I'd like to share with you my recipe for crab fries. Now yes, this was something new to me as well, but I recently traveled and I stumbled across this dish and I thought, well, I should share this with you if you don't know it yet. Okay, very quickly, very simple. We need French fries. I just already fried them nicely good brown. Now of course, I put salt on, very easy, simple, right? Like what we do, not too much salt. Now those babies we're putting on a oven tray here. We put a little bit of grated cheese. Yeah? I have mozzarella here. Yeah, not too much, like that. Take this one and give it a very quick boost under the grill, under the salamander, if you may call it, right? I'll put it in here, 1 minute, easy done. While this is in there, already for our crab fries, we're starting off with a little bit chipotle mayo. Yeah, so this is like a chili mayonnaise, and you just put a few dots in here, you know, bang, bang, bang. So keep that for later on. And then it says crab fries. Of course we need crab meat, yeah, again. So we sprinkle a little bit on this already, like that, like that, like that. No big fuss about this one. Now we're going back to our oven, yeah, as I said, just swiftly, not even a minute I think. Taking our fries out of the oven, and what we do is now we're taking, have a look at the cheese just melted on this French fries, right? Now we're just sliding this whole thing on here. Oh yes, my lunch is ready. Oh yes, hold on a second. Like that, like that, like that. Okay. Oh no, there's more. There is more, ladies and gentlemen. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Now we continue. We're putting more of our chipotle sauce on here. Yeah, everything what we're having. Yes. Then, of course, more of our crab meat. Yeah. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, this is, yeah, it says crab fries, so make sure you put crab on it. Then we sprinkle some chopped chives around and about. Yes, and then just for the fun of it, right? While we have it in our garden, look at that. Bang, bang, bang. Yes, and then the crab claw, obviously the nice meat from the claws from the crabs, right? We put this one on here as well. So show off a little bit. Okay, good, good, good. Yeah, a little bit more crab meat. And ladies and gentlemen, so easy. That's all what it is. The most famous crab fries, crab French fries for you to enjoy. Everybody will love this one with the chipotle sauce for you. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef.